Apple HomePod tips and tricks, 8 way to improve your listening experience. The HomePod and HomePod Mini can up your playlist, but these sleek device no more do more than play music. Here's how to get the most out of Apple smart speakers. Apple has made a steady improvement to its HomePod lineup. The most recent update is a PC Mag editor as a pick for Apple first smart speaker, while the HomePod Mini gives you a similar experience of less. Got more than one. Pair them together for a true stereo experience, or have the music follow you through the house. But the sleek device do more than play music. Your HomePod is also a smart home device that can control alarms, smart lights, and more. Here are a few tricks you should know to improve your HomePod experience. It is easy to set a timer on or alarm through your HomePod, but you are not stuck with one of Apple's jarring presets. Instead, as Siri to play music or remind sound at the appointed time. In the Home app, select the speaker you want to use for the alarm. Scroll down to alarm and select new alarm. Select the time and frequency of the alarm. We choose play media under alarm sound. Tap choose media to select between Apple Music or sound. As of HomePod software, there are 7 available: Event, Sound, Fireplace, Forest, Night, and White Noise. If you select Apple Music, you can search for an artist or song, or select music from your library. Choose a playlist or set it to talk radio like NPR. If you are listening to music on one HomePod, you can ask Siri to move it to a different Apple speaker. For example, you are listening on your office speaker but want to shift the tones to the living room. Say, "Hi Siri, move the music to the living room speaker." Want the music to play in the office and the living room. Say he at the living room, or he play music from the office. Here, while you are in the living room, or just ask here to play everywhere. To send a playlist to all your HomePod. The trick to using this feature currently is remembering what you named your speaker. You may vary on how well understands your request, but I have found it's typically faster than using my phone to shift music from one speaker to the other. If you have two of the same Apple speaker, you can link them together through a stereo pair. Open the Home app and tap on the first HomePod you want to connect. Scroll down and tap the gear icon in the button right corner. Select create a stereo pair from the setting menu. A list of compatible nearly HomePod speaker will pop up. Select the second device you want to pair with the first to make the connection. Note that you can only create a stereo pair between two HomePod Mini, HomePod first gen, or HomePod 2 gen speaker. No mixing and matching. If you are using your HomePod as part of at home threader steps, you can establish a stereo